My name is Masturina Auni binti Muhammad Zaki. My metric number is DF170059. On this video, I'm going to present about literature review. For this chapter is review the interesting literature related to science and engineering. In science and engineering, there are basically three different ways are approached in problem solving, which includes experiment, simulation, and mathematical method. The Newton devised different method is future discussed to find the water consumption missing data. The using of impression method and equation is elaborated to determine the accuracy of finding the water consumption missing data. In this literature review, we will discuss about the importance of numerical method in civil engineering. Second, the important interpolation by Newton's device difference. And the last one about information in Fila table. The importance of numerical method in civil engineering. As we know, numerical methods are techniques by which mathematical problems are formulated so that they can be solved. Numerical methods involve large number of tedious arithmetic operations. The role of numerical method in engineering problem solving has increased dramatically due to the development of digital computer and mathematical software to do the calculation. Interpolation refers to the determination of a function that represents a collection of data exactly. The most elementary type of interpolation consists of fitting a polynomial to a collection of data points. This is common in engineering field where unknown functions are usually derived from data obtained from experiments. In real life, the certain range of pair X, Y dataset need to estimate the corresponding value of X which is not in dataset. The interpolation provides a technique to approximate the function fx at intermediate point x within the range of given described dataset. The important interpolation by Newton's device difference. As we know, interpolation that used when a number of data points. As we know, interpolation that used when a number of data points when x naught, fx naught, x1, fs1, and follow that until xn, fxn. A less than or equal x naught, where x naught less than x1, and follow that until xn. Xn is less than b is usually available a method to approximate the function fx that use it approximate the value of fx at. The value of f at k at certain at k over the entire closed interval a b. For this purpose, a polynomial p x of degree n denoted by p and x will be constructed that pass through all n plus 1 point such that it satisfies the condition p xi equal f xi, where I is 0, 1, 2, 3, and follow that until n. As we can see at this video, we have two graphs we have fx exists and x exists, and this graph have a 4 point. There are two types of interpolation, which is Lagrange interpolating and Newton's device difference. All these methods are included in the polynomial interpolation method. By using the Newton divided difference method, a polynomial of degree n is generated as follows: fi naught equal fi, where I equal 0, 1, and follow until n. For the second equation, we can see f I plus 1, where is j equal 1, equal f j plus 1, j minus 1, equal f j minus 1. J is 1, 2 until n. Fx equal fn x equal f naught plus f naught 1 x minus x naught plus x naught 2 in bracket x minus x naught in bracket x minus x1 plus until n. We can see at this equation from this video. For the example of x naught, f naught, x1, f1, x4, f4, the Newton divided difference table is constructed as given in table 2.1. You can see at this table we have I 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's the formula we use to get the P and X. As we can see, where the first Newton divided difference is calculated as below, we using this formula for the first calculation, where is f naught 1 equal f minus f naught 0 divide x1 minus x naught. f1 1 equal f2 naught minus f1 naught divide x2 minus x1. f2 1 equal f3 naught minus f2 naught divide x3 minus x2. f3 1 equal f4 naught f3 1 equal f4 naught minus f3 naught divide f4 minus x3. f3 1 equal f4 naught minus f3 naught divide x4 minus x3. For the second Newton divided difference is calculated as below. f naught 2 equal f1 1 equal f naught 2 equal f1 1 minus F naught 1 equal X. F naught 2 equal F11 minus F naught 1 divide X2 minus X naught. F12 equal F21 minus F11 divide X3 minus X1. F22 equal F31 minus F21 divide X4 minus X2. The third Newton's divide difference is calculated as below. F03 equal F12 minus F02 divide 3. F03 equal F12 minus F02 equal X3 minus X0. F13 equal F22 minus F12 divide X4 minus X1. The fourth Newton divide difference is calculated as below. F04 equal F13 minus F03 divide X4 minus X0. And hence Fx equal F4. Fx equal P4x equal F00 plus F01 in bracket X minus X0 plus F02 in bracket X minus X0 in bracket X minus X1 plus F03 in bracket X minus X0 in bracket X minus X1 in bracket X minus X2 plus F04 in bracket X minus X0 in bracket X minus X1 in bracket X minus X2 in bracket X minus X3. For Phyla table, we have table for fact, ideas, issue, and action. For the fact, data water consumption at Johor, Kedah, Kelantan, Wilayah Persekutuan Labuan, Melaka, Negeri Sembilan, Pulau Pinang, Pahang, Perak, Perlis, Sabah, Sarawak, Selangor, and Terengganu cannot be computed due to loss of the water consumption data. We get idea from the missing data is calculated using numerical method to find the missing data. The issue we want to know about the missing data we calculate using numerical method. And the action we use is search the internet for the some reference regarding the missing water consumption data using numerical method. Second fact is the problem statement was created in order to understand the application of numerical method using Newton divided difference in real engineering problem. For the idea, we use all the equation to get the P and X. First, in the issue, we have get how to get the first Newton divide difference Fi1. Second issue is how to get second Newton divide difference Fi2. For this issue, we have three equations that we need to follow. Next, the issue is how to get the Newton's divide different Fi3. For this issue, we use two equations. For the next issue is how to get fourth Newton divide different Fi4. For this issue, we use only one equation. For the next issue is how to construct the Newton interpolatory divided different polynomial P and X. For this issue, we use only one equation. We use equation P and X equal F naught naught plus F naught 1 in bracket X minus Fx naught plus F naught 2 in bracket X minus X naught in bracket X minus X1 plus and follow the equation. For the all equation, we find through the internet such as journal and book. The last fact is the Engineering Mathematics 4 project is about application of numerical method in civil engineering area. For the idea, do the discuss with all the member and refer to the calculation in book. The issue is how to solve the problem given. In action, we get is complete the report before the deadline. That's all from me. Thank you.